give me your science homework like right now.
Okay. Here you go. But don't copy exactly what I have done.
Yeah, मेरा भी ले ले.
As Deep quickly copies the homework, Fatima sees the science teacher, Miss Mahi, entering.
Guys, the teacher's coming. Get back to your seats, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, class. Please be seated.
Thank you, teacher.
As Miss Mahi begins to teach the class, Shubham and Ronak try to distract the teacher so that Deep can copy his homework.
Ma'am, can you explain our doubt? I didn't understand it.
Yes. Which one?
Yeah, ma'am. Could you explain it again?
Please say it.
This one.
As Miss Mahi is explaining the concept, she suddenly notices Deep furiously scribbling in his notebook. She throws a chalk on him.
Deep, what exactly are you doing?
Oh, ma'am, just some last minute revisions.
Revisions, huh? In that case, come here. Write any 6 elements of the periodic table.
Revision.
What? Are you serious?
It's simple. Rhenium, vanadium, iodine, silicon, oxygen and nitrogen.
You? Never mind. Just sit down. Can anyone give me the definition of photosynthesis?
Teacher, is it about photo hitching or hitching of photos?
I didn't know. Everyone stop laughing.
It's the process where plants use oxygen, water, and minerals in the presence of sunlight to make their own food.
Yes, correct. One last question. Can anyone tell me why humans have different blood groups?
Arey teacher, it's easy. It's so that mosquitoes can enjoy different blood flavors, etc.
At least half is correct, but what do you mean by etc.?
And now thinking capacities.
Someone knocks the door.
Is this 10th A?
Oh yes, come in. New student, right? Please introduce yourself.
Well, my father's name is Laughing and my mother's name is Smile.
You kidding, right?
No, that's my cousin. I'm joking.
Oh, such a nice introduction, joking. Just go and sit down.
The bell rings. And Mahi leaves the classroom. The maths teacher, Arpit, enters. The class gets up and greets him in a sing-song manner.
Good morning, sir.
Just sit down.
Thank
you,
sir.
Explaining something, but then he spots Shubham sleeping.
Shubham, get up. Why are you sleeping in my class?
Well, sir, I was awake last night completing the maths homework.
Yes, scientifically, we need 6 to 8 hours of sleep.
Arpit writes on the board, 6 minus 8 is equals to minus 2.
Hey,
That means no sleep.
Well, I agree with you.
Then he draws a triangle on the board.
Now, Ronak, prove this is a triangle.
अरे सर, ये तो ट्रायंगल ही है क्योंकि मैं अपनी दोनों आंखों से देख सकता हूँ।
Quite. No, I need a mathematical answer.
Well then, sir, this is a circle.
What? Can you not see? It's a triangle.
There you go. Proved. Hence proved.
Now stop laughing, everyone. Is this how you'll prove? I'll show you the Pythagoras.
सर उसमें क्या है? पाइथागोरस इज बेसिकली एक अकेला दो के बराबर.
Okay, that's a nice one. Now let's return back to studying.
The teacher explains that concept again, and as he finishes, the bell rings. And he leaves.
Thank you.
The English teacher, Janvi, enters the class and writes,
Today, we are going to discuss the different uses and meanings of these words. Notice how they look similar but have different pronunciation and meanings.
Teacher, but they all look the same. Aren't they basically the same words?
No. They aren't the same. They have different meanings and pronunciations.
अच्छा आपली बोली आज आपली.
Teacher, I have another example.
Oh really? Then can you come and write it on the board?
Sure, ma'am.
Deep, what are you doing?
This word is empty. 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 Empty.
Be quiet everyone. And you, even your mind is empty. Now go and sit at your place.
Sorry, ma'am.
the teacher explaining, and Ronak raises his hand.
Teacher, I have a weird doubt.
Okay, go on.
Teacher, when we say the word touch, our lips separates, and when we say the word separates, our lips touch. Whereas both the words mean exactly opposite. Why does this happen?
What? Repeat it again.
Arey teacher, when we say the word touch, our lips separates, and when we say the word separates, our lips touch. Why does this happen?
Separate. Oh yes, that's true.
Ha. Now sit down. Otherwise my ruler will touch your hand so hard that your mind will get separated from your body.
Bell rings. And Janvi leaves. The class is packing their bags all ready for PT period.
और पीटी पीरियड છે बास्केटबॉल टीम આપણે ડિસાઈડ કરીએ પછી.
When suddenly the SS teacher Ria enters the classroom with papers in hand. Seeing her, the entire class starts making noise.
Settle down, students. Arey teacher, we have PT period. Your PT sir is absent, so I will be taking this class. हमारा PT का पीरियड पानी में गया. No, I am not asking you. I am telling you. Now, take out a pen and a paper. I am going to take a surprise test. What? Surprise test?
Ria begins giving them question paper and everyone is upset. When everyone receives their papers, some time passes and then suddenly Fatima speaks up.
Ma'am, I think there's a mistake. This question is out of syllabus. What?
Yes, out of syllabus.
No, wait. It's there. This question is there.
Yeah.
You guys, be quiet and answer your paper.
Then Deep gets up from his place and speaks.
Teacher, आप हमारा और हमारी पढ़ाई का कितना ध्यान रखते हो। आप महान हो टीचर।
True.
आप लाखों में एक हो टीचर।
False.
आप करोड़ों में एक हो टीचर।
False.
आप भगवान हो टीचर।
True.
Okay, thank you. Enough buttering. Now complete your paper.
Everyone answers the question paper, and as the bell rings, the teacher collects it. As soon as the teacher leaves the classroom, Man goes to sleep while other students were playing in a chaotic manner.
अरे ये मन को देखो ना, कितना सोता है।
कुंभकर्ण के जैसा सोता है।
हाँ यार, कुंभकर्ण जैसा सोता ही रहता है।
अभी उठाओ इसे।
ओए कोणाला मला उठायलो?
ओय आ दीपे मायो.
मैं तो ना सकता।
अरे हिम्मत क्यों इतना दे मला मारवानी?
बाबा
Oh no, I have to call the teacher now.
Please stop fighting.